Welcome to PreMath. In this video tutorial, we are going to simplify and evaluate these given rational expressions. Sine of 90 minus theta divided by secant theta plus cosine of 90 minus theta divided by cosecant theta. And moreover, we are not supposed to be using calculators of any kind. So let's go ahead and get started with the solution. And here's our very first step. Let's focus on the numerator, this part, sine of 90 minus theta. And here we can see that sine of 90 minus theta is same as cosine of theta since they are cofunctions. So therefore we can replace the sine of 90 minus theta by simply cosine of theta. And now let's go ahead and focus on cosine of 90 minus theta, and we can see that the cosine of 90 minus theta is same as sine theta. So therefore I'm going to replace this one by sine of theta. Therefore these rational expressions could be written as, on the numerator is going to be cosine of theta divided by secant of theta plus sine of theta divided by cosecant of theta. Once again, this cosine theta showed up over here, and this sine theta, I have replaced it over here. And now let's focus on these denominators. Secant of theta, we know that the secant of theta can be written as 1 over cosine of theta. So I can replace that one by 1 over cosine theta. And now let's focus on this cosecant theta. This cosecant of theta is same as 1 over sine of theta. So I can replace this one by 1 over sine of theta. So therefore this rational expression could be written as cosine of theta on the top divided by 1 over cosine of theta at the denominator plus same thing, sine of theta on the numerator divided by 1 over sine of theta in the denominator. And now let's focus on this first fraction. I have just copied it down over here, and you can see it turns out to be simply cosine square of theta. So therefore I can write this one as cosine square theta and then plus. And likewise this next fraction I have just copied down over here, and after a few steps we have simplified it to sine square theta. So therefore this could be written as sine square theta. Now we can see that cosine square theta plus sine square theta is a famous identity, and that is always equal to 1. So thus cosine square theta plus sine square theta equals to 1. So thus our simplified answer turns out to be 1. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.